Today, I'm going to be selling my art from prison. You fucking kidding me? Good morning, friends. Today is August 3rd, and I am going to be selling all of my art from prison. Today, we're going to Cars Behind Bars at the Old Joliet Prison in Joliet, and I'm very excited to bring you guys along. Check it out, we have arrived. There goes Alex. I remember last year because we were just cars, like we were clogged up in a line, but now that we're vendors, we get to just go straight in because we're also like an hour and a half earlier than everyone. So this is what the prison looks like when no one is here except for us. There's like another side over there that we'll check out, and there's some other vendors there already, but we are the only one in this space right now. Slowly getting stuff set up while Alex left to buy some chairs because we forgot to pack them. Here comes my boyfriend. He's here. Like just as I recorded that clip. And he's gonna park right there again. I was actually gonna show you guys putting this together for my stickers. It's kind of a pain in the ass though. Maybe I should use my mic. Okay, so I have my mic on now. Can y'all hear me good? I wish I had a big enough car so I could just like leave all my things assembled, but I cannot because it's just not like that for me. I have a Mazda Miata and an F80, and all of this barely fits into the F80, and then I just have tote bags in my car, but for some reason my trunk won't open, so I can't even get the Oops tote bag, which I'm so mad about. I don't know what to do, like pry it open or some shit. Honestly, I wish I could just glue this shit together. It's such a pain in the ass. You fucking kidding me? Like, how am I supposed to do a quick setup if this shit is not fucking quick? Okay, see, here we are. No, asshole! See, I hate this. The whole thing just fell apart. Chat, I'm sorry, I can't vlog this. Okay, so we are done with the setup. Let me give you a little tour. Okay, so in this first corner I have my Mazda Miata, of course. And then we have the first table. Instead of my tote bags being in like two grids like before, instead I did 2 grids to the side and then 1 or 2 more onto the table. I think I like it. Damn, whose baby is screaming? But here I have my gachapon, and then I have my stickers. Down on the table I have the necklaces. These are my 2 little cake boxes. I only made 2, so it really doesn't look that aesthetic, but that's okay. You got all the keychains on the wall, washi tape, notepads, and the card display, photo visor clips, cups. And finally, all of the rest of the keychains. Oh, and my new display. My new display with all the keychains and the tote bags on the bottom. So again, there's a little overview. Let me know if you like it. So now we're just gonna walk. You can see my booth back there. We're gonna walk somewhere and do a little clip for the beginning of the video. Wait, you want me to go in there? Hell no.
Yep.
Oh, hell no. Can I go?
Give me some more enthusiasm.
It's because like my voice is echoing. It feels awkward. Today I'm going to be selling my art from prison. So the first time we've been here, we went and we just came as visitors. The second time we came and had both of our cars in the show. And the third time, this time we are having both of our cars and the Carbon Studios pop-up shop. Thank you to Cosmic Wheels for this little Miata fan. It is really saving my ass out here. It's so fucking hot. So you can see my car just like straight through here from my little checkout spot. And I can always see people stand like right there and take a picture of my car. Every time a dude comes by and he's like, man, I love this Miata, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, I know that's right. I know that's right. It's been just about 1 hour into like the show officially starting. It started at 12 o'clock and now it is 1:07. And I made 6 sales so far, so pretty awesome. Okay, another update. It's literally just only been 30 minutes, but I made one more sale, so that's amazing. And I noticed so far, like, it is a little bit of a slower show. Last year we left early. If you watched that vlog, we left early because it was way too hot. Luckily today is not as hot, and of course, you know, I have the tent as well, so that also kind of helps. Hey, look how cute my boyfriend is. He got me some boba. Blue raspberry. It tastes like if you had a Slurpee and just melted it. He has some nachos too. Boba and nachos, slay. It is just now 3:15. We still have a little bit less than 2 hours of the show left. It is still kind of slow, very few sales here and there, but that's okay. It's still a great time. Wow, it's so cute.
Oh, it's funny because like we have a bench, the actual
Someone came by and gave me a little Polaroid of my car. So cute. And it seems like lots of people are leaving. They just finished announcing the awards, so everyone's like, okay, I didn't win, and they're gonna leave now. And it is just about 4:20, so I think we will also start packing up a little bit and get out of here by 5. Check this out. Like, it's basically all empty now, and it's just my little car, Alex's car, and that's the whole show.